to see if I can create some initiatives which will maximize some metrics which I want to follow on YouTube. Hey guys, my name is Ali and I'm a data analytics manager working in Oslo, Norway. In this video, I want to introduce you guys to a new series on my channel, and that is a series about how I'm going to apply data analysis to my own YouTube channel. The way that is going to work, that each month I'm going to define a scope of what I want to achieve for that month. I'm going to find some initiatives, and then I need to figure out how will I measure those initiatives. And then I'm also going to have to collect data, analyze the data, and interpret the results. So basically, I'm going to follow a data analysis process each month to see if I can maximize my results on YouTube. So in this video, we will go through that process and I will talk you guys through these different points. And then I can also talk a little bit about how it is important to think about what is the trade-off point where I'm not spending too much time on data analysis, which means that it starts to jeopardize the most important thing, and that is my execution, creating videos of a certain quality over time consistently. So if we take a look at the data analysis process, you will see that the first thing is to define the scope. And the scope from month to month is to see if I can create some initiatives which will maximize some metrics which I want to follow on YouTube. So that is the scope of the whole initiative, and that is what I want to see if I can start to do. I guess I can also mention my goal is to reach 4,000 hours of watch time by the end of second quarter, because then I can start to put on ads. That is, a certain limit you need to reach to start monetize. And then I want to reach 5,000 subscribers, because that puts me halfway to 10,000, which is my goal in 2021. Let's take a look at the initiatives. What I want to focus on is subscribers and watch time. That is kind of what I'm focusing on now, because I'm still very early out in my YouTube days and for the channel. But what I want to try to do is I want to try to create a call for action within the 15 first seconds of when the video starts. And the reason is because I always tell people to subscribe at the end of the video. And if you've ever looked in the YouTube analytics, if I go to one of my videos, you will see that there's quite a drastic drop in the viewer retention from the beginning to the end. So it makes the most sense, if I want to tell the most people to subscribe to my videos, I want to do it at the beginning, because that is when I have most of your attention. At the end, it drops a lot more, and then it's just more people that gets that message. Doesn't mean it's gonna work, but it's an initiative that I want to try. So what I've written is create a call for action within the 15 first seconds to subscribe, with a graphic that pops up. I also written that you can add a graphic in the middle with a bell and click sound, and then I'll have the usual graphic at the end where I end off my videos. And what I've said is that I want to measure it by taking the net number of subscribers, the number of new subscribers per day, and divide that by unique viewers per day to see what is my conversion. And I think that is a good way of looking at it, because just looking at number of new subscribers doesn't really tell me that much, because it might just be that one of my videos has just started to pick off. So that is one thing. Another thing that I've been thinking about is, in terms of watch time, is to start to post on Thursdays and Saturdays at 2 p.m. because I know that a lot of people watch this video are from the US, and there's a lot of people from Southeast Asia, and that is good timing to cover the time zones that I see are watching a lot of my videos. And then also Thursdays and Saturdays I think are good timings, because I do have some longer videos, and they are easier to watch during the weekend or later during the weekend, because I know when you start the week, people usually have a lot of things to do. So that is something that I want to measure by looking at watch time over unique viewers, and I think that's also good. So you can tell that I'm not really sure where to start, but I need to start somewhere and see if I can see some effect of this. I want to try and build up some of my videos. So in the videos, I can put these cards on top, which links to another video, and I want to take all of my videos and link to one, because what I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to build up some of my videos so that they get higher ranking, so that they become funnels, and they funnel activity into my channel. And then when you get to my channel, you like the stuff you see so much that you will subscribe. Then I've written awareness. So because I now can post community posts on YouTube, I want to take a screenshot of a video and post on the Wednesday or the Friday, the day before I post, which looks interesting from the video with a relevant question to build awareness of what is coming. The last two initiatives that I've written is, one is financial, because I'm trying to turn the channel into a business, is because I want to change the description so that my affiliate links are higher up, so that when you read my description of the video, when you scroll down, you'll see it much sooner, and then you have to scroll all the way down, hoping that might give that some more traction, and then maybe more people will actually use those affiliate links. And the last is just that I want to move the most popular video section to the top on my channel, so that that's on top, gives more traction towards those videos. So those are some of the initiatives that I want to do for April. Now, of course, how am I going to measure and collect the data for that? And that is something that I've been thinking about, because you have the possibility to, I know that you have the API on YouTube, and you know, I can create a integration to that. I can load that automatically. But what I've actually decided is that I'm probably just gonna go for this table right here, which shows different metrics over time. I can go in, I can add the different metrics that I need to follow up on the initiatives. And I think I'm just gonna do that right now, because right now my main focus is creating good videos, and then I don't want to put too much load on these integrations, maintaining that. That is what I'm thinking in terms of just how I'm gonna create the metrics based on that, and I'm also going to follow up on it and collect from that. The way that I will analyze the data, I'm gonna create a dashboard in Power BI, and I will show you guys that next month, because I need 1 month to go so I can create the metrics, I can collect the data, I can start to do the initiatives, then I can show you guys how did I collect it. I can show you guys a little more of the backend stuff and how I'm gonna analyze and interpret those results. So it's going to be an ongoing process, but I think it will be really good when I start to get the ball going, and when I get more and more into it, then I can adapt and I can take you guys with me on that. That is what I wanted to share with you guys today about this new series that is coming, and the process which I will follow, and how I will structure this. So it gives you guys an idea of how, you know, a data analysis process can be. But I think as I start this, as I start to share information about how I'm doing this, you guys will get a good feel for what a real life example can actually look like, and how data analysis is applied to that. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos on data and analytics, then subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.